If you're seeing ERR underscore address underscore unreachable in Google Chrome, don't worry. This is usually a network or browser issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest methods to get Chrome working again, step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's start with the simplest fix, restarting your internet connection. A temporary connection problem is often the reason this error appears in Chrome. Begin by turning off your Wi-Fi, or if you're using an Ethernet cable, unplug it and reconnect it after a few seconds. If you have a router or modem at home, restart that as well by switching it off, waiting about 30 seconds and turning it back on. After that, restart your PC too. This helps clear small network glitches that may be preventing Chrome from reaching the website. Once your computer comes back on, open Google Chrome and try loading the page again. In many cases, that alone will solve the problem. But if the error is still there, move on to the next method. The second fix is to clear Chrome's cache. Over time, Chrome stores cookies and temporary files that can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, and that can trigger connection errors. To clear them, open Google Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This will bring up the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, make sure you select cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. If you want, you can leave other options unchecked and only focus on these two. Then choose the time range you want to clear, and if you're not sure, select all time for the best result. After that, click Delete Data. Chrome will remove the saved cache, which can refresh how websites load in your browser. When it's done, close Chrome completely and open it again. Try visiting the same website and see if the ERR underscore address underscore unreachable message is gone. If it still appears, don't worry, we've got another very effective fix. Now let's flush the DNS cache. This is one of the most powerful solutions for network-related Chrome errors because it clears outdated DNS records from your system. To do this, you'll need to open Command Prompt as an administrator. On Windows, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as administrator. If prompted, click Yes to allow it. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flush DNS, then press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. What this does is remove old or incorrect DNS information so your computer can fetch fresh network data the next time you open a website. After running the command, close Command Prompt and go back to Chrome. Try loading the website again. For a lot of people, this step fixes the issue immediately, especially if the error was caused by a bad or outdated connection route. If the problem still isn't solved, the next thing to check is your VPN or proxy. Sometimes VPNs and proxy settings can interfere with how Chrome connects to the internet, which can cause ERR underscore address underscore unreachable to show up. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and test Chrome again. If you have a proxy enabled, open your system network settings and make sure proxy is turned off for the moment. Once the VPN or proxy is disabled, refresh the page in Chrome and see if it loads normally. If the website opens after that, then the VPN or proxy was likely the cause. You can later turn it back on if needed, but at least you'll know what was blocking the connection. To quickly recap, the main fixes are restarting your internet connection, clearing Chrome cache, flushing the DNS cache, and disabling VPN or proxy settings. These steps solve most ERR underscore address underscore unreachable errors without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If one method doesn't work, just move to the next one in order. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials and quick browser fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.